Network-based applications, cloud computing, IoT, and big data are changing the world we live in today. IT infrastructures need to be able to handle the exponentially increasing volume of data these technologies are producing.
Flexanywhere has developed a suite of services that enable low latency, high bandwidth network services and connectivity to drive the connected world. Flexanywhere is a flexible, software-defined hybrid network solution. Through Flexanywhere, it is now possible to deploy infrastructure that spans core and edge data centers to reliably process data and support mission-critical applications.
Low network latency is key to succeeding in today's marketplace, whether you're a small business or a multinational company. When latency is low, the end user has a seamless, responsive experience. When latency is high, there is a noticeable delay and the customer experience suffers. The result is a lost sale, missed opportunity, and wasted time. There are two primary causes for high latency. The first is distance. The more distance that needs to be covered, the longer it takes to move the data. If there are multiple junction points, or hops, the latency slows even more. The second cause is traffic. Just as the streets can become congested, even the most robust infrastructure can experience delays when demand is high. Businesses today face a latency crisis. The number of network devices is exploding. The newest devices in the market aren't just requesting data, they're also creating and sending data. The result is a constant tidal wave of data that needs to be moved into and out of every corner of the world.
Latency kills. It is the adversary of a good customer experience, and the problem is just going to get worse. As we start delivering massive amounts of data and content, and that data starts to be bidirectional, where it's coming back into the networks, and we're moving from 2 to 3 zettabytes of data being transmitted on the internet to expected amounts of 200 zettabytes, you're starting to talk about 10, 20, 30-fold the amount of data and congestion issues that we're going to see. It's really important that we overcome this latency problem.
The Flexanywhere Flexanywhere infrastructure approach delivers data and processing closer to the end users. Instead of consolidating the data and processing into a few high-traffic locations, Flexanywhere creates a dispersed, hybrid edge solution that is enabled by software-defined infrastructure. As a result, data and processing resources are available anytime, anywhere, and they're geographically closer to the users that need it.
Through Flexanywhere, it is now possible to move high-demand compute environments closer to customers and business locations, closer to users at the edge.
Our offerings include connectivity-rich data centers in markets across North America, partners with hundreds of networks, data centers, managed service, and cloud providers, including AWS and Azure. Multiple cloud nodes, enabling private, hybrid, and compliant cloud, security, and storage services. Disaster recovery and managed backup services. Managed IP bandwidth services with proactive and automated DDoS protection. Fully redundant, private 100 gigabit per second network backbone that is managed by a team of network engineers that ensure 100% network and bandwidth uptime and optimal availability. Object storage services for fast, flexible access to your data objects. Virtual cross-connects for access to carrier hotels. And last-mile connectivity through SD-WAN, MPLS, and VPN or private carriers. These offerings all tie together and run across a network backbone that delivers 100 gigabits per second of connectivity, which is scalable to up to 400 gigabits per second. Our infrastructure is unparalleled, but it's just one part of the value we bring. Flexanywhere has assembled an experienced team of engineers specialized in developing and deploying edge strategies. We work with organizations to address their specific needs and challenges, whether those are related to business, infrastructure, the compute environment, or platforms. We focus on ensuring your network is operating and scaling at optimal levels so you can focus on running your business.
So latency is still going to be a killer. And here at Flexanywhere, with our hybrid edge solutions and our hybrid edge data centers, we can help you solve that problem. And that's our goal, is to be able to help you have a great customer experience and to grow your business and be successful.
Flexanyware creates tailored solutions that enable you to meet and exceed expectations, today and in the years to come.
Disruptive technologies like Internet of Things and network-based applications are creating incredible opportunities as well as new challenges. To learn more about Flexanywhere and to ensure that your network has the flexibility to dynamically scale as the technology landscape evolves, give us a call today.